Okay, you guys, this week we're really going to focus on learning the sounds in our words. And that's not only the beginning sound, which is very easy. I want you to also focus on the ending sounds. So you're going to need your whiteboard pen and eraser right now. And I'm going to show you a few objects, and you're going to write the beginning sound and the ending sound. You're going to write the letters that match with those. So, and then I'm going to show it to you. Then you're going to pause me and write down the beginning sound and the end sound. Then I'm going to write them down. You all unpause me and see if you got it right. Okay, you can do it. So I need to get my pen. Let me get my pen. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this is what your whiteboard should look like. Right over here, you're going to put a B for beginning sound and E for ending sound. Ending starts with E, beginning starts with B. Okay? So now I'm going to lay an object up here, and I'm going to have you tell me what is the beginning sound and the ending sound. So that's a bug. So you would write the beginning sound here and the ending sound here. Bug. Pause me. All right. Beginning ba, ending ga. B and G. Did you write B and G down? If you did, you're correct. Bug. The secret is to say it really a lot. Bug. Bug. Say the beginning and ending really exaggerated. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and do this. What is that? Crayon. Crayon. So pause me and write the beginning sound and the ending sound. Okay. Ka. Or you could write CR if you heard those. On na. N. C and N should have been or CR and N. Crayon. What vowel did you hear? For extra credit, you could have written an A. Crayon. Okay. Okay. So we've done a bug and a crayon. Now let's do this. What is that? Say it out loud. Pen. Pause me. Write the beginning sound and the ending sound down. Pause me. So pa should be P and N, na. N. You should have written P and N down. And pa, If you heard that in the middle, you got extra credit for your vowel. Eddie elephant. Or I or E works. Okay, so let's do another one. I'm going to erase these. Marker. Okay, pause me. You should have written down ma, M, R, marker. Okay, did you hear that? Marker. And you need to say those out loud. When you get your worksheet, you're going to say the things out loud. Okay, erase these. Okay, I'm going to lay this up here. What is that? That's a book. Book. What beginning sound do you hear and what ending sound do you hear? Pause me. You should have written down ba, b, and ka. Okay, book, right? Okay. Now, we have two more. Isn't this is so fun? What's that? Pencil, pencil. Which way does your tongue go? Pencil. Okay, so pause me. Okay, you should have written P at the beginning, pa, pa, and la, pencil, L, P and L. We have one more. What is that? Frog, frog. Okay, pause me. Okay, you're back now. So you should have written frog, og. You could have done if you heard fra and then ah. If you really, that's that whole word, by the way. That's how you spell frog. All the sounds. Frog. Okay, now here's what you get to do. You're going to know beginning and ending sounds by the end of this week. So I'm going to go get your worksheet. And you have 2 for every day. You have a back, you have this worksheet, and then you flip it over, and you have this worksheet. So you're going to, it ends with a puddle, and it begins with grapes. So let's go through. Sometimes it's hard to understand what these are. So let's go through. This is grapes, kite, tack, mouse, vacuum. So what do you hear at the beginning? Grapes, and the end. Kite, cut, tack, tuck, mouse, mus, vacuum, Okay, then flip it over. Box, barn, bug, duck, puddle. Okay, that's your Monday. You have one for Tuesday back in front, Wednesday back in front, Thursday back in front. Beginning and ending sounds is your new life. Then I want you to go around and have your mom and dad quiz you. Point to something and say, Mom, ask me what the beginning sound is. Dad, what's the ending sound? Grandma, what's the beginning sound? Grandpa, what's the ending sound? Auntie, what's the beginning sound? Uncle, what's the ending sound? Do it for everything you see. Drive your people around you nuts. Practicing beginning and ending sounds, drive them nuts. Drive them nuts so much that they beg you, please, no more beginning and ending sounds. Do it. You can do it. All right, have fun.